Go Bird tutorial. This video will help you get started quickly and easily. Before playing Go Bird, remember to check the lithium battery is fully charged and installed correctly. First, use the screwdriver to remove the battery compartment cover and install two AAA batteries, not included. Pay attention to the polarity. Make sure you do it right. Then, replace the cover and tighten the screw afterwards. A green indicator light on the remote control will turn on automatically. If not, press the on-off button to turn the remote on. Reminder: your Go Bird should already be paired with the remote. If not, please refer to the user manual for guidance. Press the on-off button slightly at the bottom of the Go Bird. A green indicator light will turn on. Hold Go Bird horizontally and press the trigger button on top of the remote to make the wings begin to flap. Press the on-off button of the remote slightly to switch to manual mode. A blue indicator light will turn on. Gently toss Go Bird forward to begin flight. Means: switch Go Bird indicator light color. Means: fly in clockwise circle. Means: fly in figure 8. Means: fly in counterclockwise circle. Slow down. Move right. Move left. Speed up. When Go Bird's red light starts blinking, the lithium battery is running low. Use the screwdriver to remove the bolt. Then unplug the exhausted lithium battery. Insert the fully charged lithium battery into the slot. Then, replace the bolt to lock the lithium battery into place. Insert the exhausted battery directly into the USB charger and plug the charger into an adapter. Green light means the power source is working. Red light means the battery is charging. When charging is complete, the red light will turn off. Thank you for watching.